Hello, everybody. It's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. Uh, yeah, this one's probably took a while, but we finally got her all put together for the most part. Okay, there's still some things I need to do, but uh, this is it so far, and yeah, it turned out okay. I think it's pretty, but we ain't started it yet, and we ain't even got gas in it yet. There's still some other things I still need to do, and I'll point that out in this video as we go along. And but I wanted to show you how far I've got so far on it, and I know I've been taking my sweet time at it. Down here on this wheel, these forks, I'm kind of on the fence about them because right there above that bolt that I'm trying to show you there, it's just too dark to see, is that there's a hole for the fender strut. I believe that's what it's for, and there's just not a whole lot of room of material there, and I'm afraid that if I hit something hard enough, it'll break. Now up underneath that tank, I took some T-Rex tape. It's like Gorilla Tape, and put underneath that tank to try to protect the decals on the top of that bar and whatnot. And there's the offset intake manifold I had to put on to get the carburetor to fit right. We finally got that and put that on, and that's been on there for a while now. But yeah, and now here in this wiring that I done, you can see that I taped off the white wire, and I left that on there because the magneto that's on there, the blue wire's barrel connector there is broken, and I'm not so sure if it's going to get a connection or not. But the blue wire and the white wire are hooked together on the magneto, so if it doesn't work, I'll just swap out wires. No big deal. Got some nice $10 uh, fuel line on there and whatnot. I had to go buy a fuel line for it because the fuel line they sent with the kit wasn't even. It must have been for a mouse mini bike. That's all I can think of. It wasn't big enough to do nothing, and it was kind of an upsetting deal that they couldn't even send you enough fuel line to do nothing with. I guess it would have worked if I would have put the tank right up against the seat, but that looked goofy. And yeah, I saved this for you guys because everybody likes this part. I did anyway. Peel that protective crap off there, that protective plastic. Uh, it looks like it's been on there for a while. Yeah. But we got it all done. Got the muffler on, got the spark plug on, the CDI. Um, yeah, it wasn't a big job. It was just basically me being lazy for the most part. Now I would like to give Johnnie from Johnny's Motorized Bikes a big shout out because I had some problems with my bearings in the back, and he uh, he told me how to do it. He told me how to fix it because I was gonna have to buy some wrenches, and he told me a way I could do it without having to buy them wrenches. So I appreciate that, Johnny. If y'all want to check out Johnny's Motorized Bikes, his channel link will be in the description box below. Yeah, and I wanted to show you this is a Schwinn bicycle seat, but it comes off from one of those Schwinn exercise bikes that people use, a stationary bike. Well, it's super comfortable. I might try to see if I can't swap out the seat connections with one of those ones with the springs. I don't know if it'll fit or not, but we'll see. And them goofy dang handlebars got to go. Uh, I haven't messed with them. That's just the way they were set up when I bought the bike, and that just I don't know how that guy wrote it. Just goofy. They just got to go. You know, if you got ideas on what kind of handlebars to put on there, let me know. I was actually thinking about taking a pair of 10-speed handlebars and flipping them upside down and putting them on there and using them. I don't know how that would look. Maybe it'd be goofy. I don't know, but it was a thought. Uh, so yeah, well, that's basically the update on the bike, guys. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I know you guys probably were thinking, Dark's gonna do all kinds of build videos, but to be honest with you, there's a lot of other people that are way better at doing them kind of videos than I am. And there's all kinds of how to build a motorized bike videos out there. So I just basically wanted to build the bike and show you the progress as I went along. And eventually we'll get to some riding videos. I don't know how many of them. Winter's coming and it's starting to already get cold. We've already got snow here once. So we'll see what happens in the future. Hopefully we'll get at least one ride in before the snow hits. Um, all right, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter. And I'm out.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video to all your media sources. I'm your buddy, I'm your friend, I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.
You don't know the power of the dark side. The power of the dark side.